Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Cheers to Life, and today I'm here to talk about how to do a proper skin routine and how to maintain your skin and be able to have flawless skin all the time. So before even I venture to it, I would like you all to please like, subscribe and comment, and please do hit the bell icon to get all the notification about my upcoming videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the skin a little and why you need to do a skin routine and how it is going to be beneficial. Though I'm going to show you all the skin routine steps with Body Shop products, I'm going to explain why each product and each step is important for your skin and how it is going to help you get a even skin tone or get rid of your acne, blemishes. You want to get a glow to your skin, you want to brighten your skin, you want to fight your lines and wrinkles. All of them will be addressed by these specific products that I'm going to talk about, and it's very important that you use almost all of these products if you would like to get that amazing super flawless skin that you dream of. So to talk about the basics of skin is the largest organ in the body and it is the most superficial organ, right? So even if you consume a lot of water, it is one of the last organs to be able to absorb and retain water from inside. So it's important you hydrate your skin both from inside and outside because it's the last organ to absorb and retain water. So what we should do is we should also think about hydrating it always from outside and keeping it nourished and well taken care of in order to see the amazing dreamy skin that we see in movies or really well groomed people. And not all are blessed with amazing skin, right? Of course mine is a normal skin, but I do see, you can see small spots and blemishes, and these are taken care of with a regular skin routine and they don't seem to bother me as much as earlier, because I don't have scars remaining for months and months together now because I have an amazing skin routine that I follow every day. It's also in your genes. Most of them are born with an oily or blemished or acne prone skin, so they tend to be more reactive to food, temperature, atmosphere, even products, right? So before anything you need to understand what your skin type is before using any of the products, because this could be the most damaging factor to your skin if you do not believe me, choose the right product based on your skin type. Skin type determination is the first step that anybody should do before even picking up any small product that you want. So in order to find the skin type, the most easy test is called the tissue test. For the tissue test, it's very simple. You just need a small tissue that you have at home, a kitchen roll, a toilet roll, any tissue would do. Just cut a small piece of tissue into 4 small squares like this, and you can put them on your forehead. I do have a normal to dry skin, so they don't tend to stick very well. So you put them on on forehead, on cheek, one on nose, and the other one on the different cheek, right? Mine is a really dry skin. See, they don't stay at all, which means you have a dry skin. So I just have washed my face, so basically I have taken care of all the oil, so absolutely it's not sticking. So generally when you have taken a shower or something, after a few minutes you can do your skin test, and if your tissue does not stick to your skin at all, even for a few seconds, that means you have a dry skin and you need to hydrate your skin better. If these stick for like few seconds, like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and then they tend to fall off, which means it is normal skin and all the 4 pieces of tissue needs to fall off. If you have an oily skin, all 4 pieces of tissue will absorb the oil that is secreted by your skin and will stay there for longer periods of time and they wouldn't fall off, which means you have oily skin. What if few fall off and few don't? which means you have a combination skin. Combination means you have different regions of the face that are oily, different regions of the face that are dry. So it may be your T-zone that is dry, or your cheeks might be dry, your chin and the rest of the regions may be oily or dry. So totally depends upon what part of the face is what skin type. So if you have two different types of skin types on your face, then yours is a combination skin. Apart from this, there are other types of skin that are reactive to certain things. For example, acne or blemished prone skin. These are skin types that have over-secreting sebum glands, and it results in infections, acne, and then scars resulting out of it. So these are blemished or acne-prone skin. The other kind of skin is the sensitive skin, which is extremely reactive to sun, hot water, or anything that they apply on the face. If your skin burns when you wash your face with warm or hot water, or if your skin turns red when exposed to sun when you go outside, or if you have rashes, or if you have extreme reactivity to any products or different type of products when you use, yours is a sensitive skin which requires extra care and especially identification in order to use the right products. So it's very, very important for yourself to determine what skin type you have and then go and reach out for the right products. So now we have determined the skin type. Mine is usually between normal to dry skin. I do have a little bit of dry regions here. Sometime here it's like mostly normal, and I don't feel too much of dry regions here. So I would say mostly my skin is between normal to dry, and I tend to use products that are suitable for all skin types. And because I have a skin that is not very reactive, I do try out different ranges from Body Shop, because they have amazing products in various different ranges that are extremely beneficial to your skin. So let's start off with the skin routine that we are looking at. So the first step, of course, is if you have taken a shower, and always use a face wash in a shower. Never apply soap onto it. So if you have a makeup on you, like right now I don't have anything on my skin, there's no makeup, nothing that I've applied. But if you are doing a skin routine at the evening, if you've gone out and come back home, if you have any product on your skin, always first clear up your makeup. So we have to do the first step of skin routine, which is the cleansing. And here I'm going to do a double cleansing, because the first step, you have to always cleanse your face twice a day, one in the morning and one at night. At the evenings, you should always do double cleansing first, in order to remove all the dirt, pollutants, makeup that has been settled down on your face. Because even when you're roaming inside the house, what happens, there are dust and lint particles that are floating in the air that come and settle down on your face. So you need to remove them before cleansing out your skin. So I use our most amazing chamomile cleansing butter. This is extremely suitable for sensitive skin, and therefore can be used by all skin types. Let me just show it to you. This is the chamomile cleansing butter, and this is how it looks from inside. It's a really small tin, which can fit into any of your makeup bags. So you never ever use a wipe, because wipe is loaded with chemicals, because it has to be preserved for a longer period of time with the moisture, and you are just loading your face with extremely harsh chemicals, and it turns your face itchy, dry, and just loaded with chemicals. While if you use wipes every day, your wipes will cost you 3 times the cost of this when you use it for over a period of 3 months, and this lasts for a really long time. It is very pocket friendly, and you can use it anywhere and everywhere. So I've just taken a bit of it on my finger. I've not even taken enough, as much as my finger, and you just have to rub it between your fingers, and it turns it into a oily texture. So you apply it I have a flannel. This is also from Body Shop, which is one of my favorite products. It is so soft and very delicate. It is very nice on your skin. It doesn't hurt your skin, so you can just wipe it off seamlessly without doing anything to your skin. It's not at all abrasive to the skin. Since I did not have anything on my face, you can see that there's absolutely nothing that came off, because I had just had my bath and had cleansed my face. So I'm just showing this for for the sake of the video, how to do your first step of cleansing. Your first step of cleansing should always be an oil based or a butter based balm based cleanser that actually dissolves your makeup, because chamomile is known to have anti-irritant properties. It is extremely beneficial in calming your skin. It is anti-irritant. It is used in a lot of spa for calming your skin and also your body. So it is picked from Norfolk, England, and they have this amazing chamomile extract that is not at all irritating and so gentle on your skin. So you always need to just use it once before running it with your cream cleanser or your second cleanser. So what I do is I always remove my makeup first, or anything that is there, even the dust pollution, right, with this, and then I go to a face wash or a cream cleanser. If I'm really lazy, I do a cream cleansing step, otherwise I do my face wash. So that is the next step of double cleansing. So I do have the vitamin E cream cleanser. So if you have a dry skin or a normal skin, you can go for a cream cleanser. If you really have an oily skin or blemish skin, you can go for foaming cleansers. They are good for your skin. And if you are not at all, you're not a great person who wants to use these different kinds of cleansers, if you want a non-soap based cleanser, you can always go with the micellar water. So coming to the vitamin E range is the most iconic range in Body Shop. It has been around for 40 years, and the smell of this product is like it smells like a baby. It is so calming and cooling to your skin. You will feel instantly cooler when you apply it on the skin, and like I said, it smells amazing because this contains hyaluronic acid, which is something that traps water molecules 1,000 times the weight of it, and it will retain moisture and literally block moisture from going away from your skin. So I'm just going to take very little of the cream cleanser. That much. It is extremely light, creamy, and cool on your skin. Again, it doesn't irritate or feel harsh on your skin. And this cream cleanser is generally suitable for all skin types. Vitamin E range of Body Shop is suitable. It is richly nourishing. It has soya, aloe vera, and wheat germ oil. So it hydrates your skin. It makes it feel fresher and cleaner every time it is being used. So I have double cleansed my skin. I can already see the skin is extremely nourished. It is no more dry. And the next step that we have to do is the toning. So toning is a very important step in skin routine for many different reasons. One, because when you use a cleanser like a face wash or any kind of cleanser, it drastically changes the pH of your skin. The pH of the skin is around 4 to 5, while any of the cleanser, their pH is about 8 to 9, which means your skin has to readjust the pH to come back to its normalcy. When it secretes a lot of oil, this might cause infections, block your pores, and again cause acne. So if you have not used your toner in a skincare routine, basically you're not doing any good to your skin. So if you're skipping this part, you are basically like I always say, you have done your thesis for about 1 week and basically you've not saved it on the computer and just shut it down. What happens to it? You have ruined all of it, right? That is what you're doing to your skin if you're not using a toner. Apart from this, there will be traces of cleanser on your skin. So a toner is a very lightweight solution that will gently wipe away all the excess cleansers, and some of the pores might be open because of washing face with warm water, and it also closes the pores, it tightens the cell gaps, it prevents ingrown growth of hair. So I absolutely love toners, and my favorite toner is the British Rose toner from Body Shop. And if you can see against light, right, you can see the small rose particles inside, and you can see it, right? Look at these are the rose petals inside, and it is extremely hydrating. If you have a dry skin, right, this is the toner to go to. It smells amazing because it is British rose. These are organic roses that are picked up by farmers, and they have rose extract, rose petals, and aloe vera in it, which are all extremely nourishing and hydrating. And it gives an amazing smell to the entire face when you use it for cleansing. So I'm going to just take a few drops of it, just little. And I will just use this to wipe it off my face. Toners are usually of different textures. Usually it is watery. Earlier in the 1980s, most of the toners would be alcohol based toners, and they would extremely dry up your skin, while now the toners have been transformed to non-alcohol based toners, and they are also hydrating your skin as much they are cleaning your cleanser or adjusting the pH of your skin, isn't it? So the British Rose toner, as I said, is amazing. Of course, I've used the vitamin E toner too, which is also really good, but my favorite one is the British Rose toner. So what is the next step of the skin routine? I am a huge fan of Korean skin because I think their skin looks flawless, amazing, and it's just so dreamy, and that's the skin I want to achieve, right? So I went over and looked up a little bit about Korean skincare routine, and for them, essence lotion is a very important part of their skincare routine. So what is an essence lotion? It is a slightly thicker form of a toner, but it has more active ingredients, and the moment you use an essence lotion on your skin, it makes your skin like a sponge. So it preps your skin so well that it absorbs all the next products that you're going to apply on the skin. So skipping essence lotion means you are not allowing your skin to absorb all the products well, and they tend to be superficial and don't penetrate well and act upon the skin issues. And essence lotion is of different types. It can be antioxidant, it can be brightening, it can be hydrating, it can be soothing, it can be repair, whatever is suitable for you. There are different kinds of essence lotions that are there in order to help you. So it adds hydration, primes your skin, and it it is the first step of adding the extra hydration your skin requires. So after using for 4 weeks, most of them have said their skin has become really supple and healthier. So there are different kinds of essence lotion in Body Shop. I have about three. One is the Drops of Youth Essence Lotion, and Drops of Light, and of course the amazing Oils of Life. So the Drops of Youth Essence Lotion has stem cells, 3 plant stem cells that have 3 different benefits, and I'll talk about the Drops of Youth range another day. But these 3 stem cells are important for reducing your lines and wrinkles. It increases the collagen in your skin. It has antioxidant properties. It heals the skin from damage that has been caused due to sunlight and other factors. So this is the Drops of Youth Essence Lotion, and I'm just going to take a very little bit of the essence lotion, 3 to 4 drops. You can see the rose petal. It's always a good idea to give about 1 to 2 minutes between your products, because it allows efficient absorption of these products into your skin rather than diluting them. So this is giving a little bit of facial massage to your muscles on the face so that it increases the circulation. And I have heard in Korean skincare that they do slap their faces quite a lot in order to increase circulation, and that also allows amazing absorption of the products into the skin. You can see that the skin has completely absorbed all the products. So next we are going to use the serum. Serum is a very lightweight form of moisture, but it is packed with concentrated ingredients, and they are in the way of nanospheres. Nanospheres means they are packed into very tiny minute particles, not even micro, basically nano, which is 3 orders of magnitude lower than that. So they are very small particles which are packed with amazing ingredients. There are about 6 types of serums that you should use. At least one of them you should definitely use every day, and there are 6 types: antioxidant, repair, renew, hydrating, protection, anti-aging, brightening, etc. So most of these serums are known to address issues like blemishes, acne, to fine lines, wrinkles, etc. And these serums are like they are something that's giving your skin the more power of healing or addressing your skin issues. It's like adding a punch to your skin. So serums always come in these pipettes which can be used to take the serum and apply onto your skin. Always take the serum in the pipette holder onto your fingers. Never put it directly on your face, because you're cross contaminating whatever is there on your skin into the main bottle. So I just took 3 drops. It is more than enough in order to cover the surface area of your skin. Continuous use of serum will make your skin young, supple looking, healthier, and more what do I say, radiant. So this is again from the Drops of Youth range. This is one serum that is sold every 26 seconds, and it is called Botox in a bottle, because you can see your lines, wrinkles, everything reducing. For some people, within 4 to 5 days of usage, most of the celebrities use this serum in order to address their issues. And I always recommend people who are over 20 years to start using an anti-aging serum, because from the age of 20 your skin stops or reduces the amount of collagen production that happens on your skin. So you need to supplement it with something that increases the collagen production. What happens when collagen goes down? Of course, you start to develop wrinkles here, frown wrinkles on your forehead, under eyes. So collagen is a very important protein that should be there on your skin abundantly in order to prevent aging on your skin. So this is your serum to go to when you want to address anti-aging. I have another serum, brightening serum from the Drops of Light range, in order to address any brightening, redness, pigmentation, scarring, etc. And of course the amazing Oils of Life range. This is the best range that I absolutely love, because it has amazing smell, it has beautiful oils, about three main oils and 7 essential oils in it that replenish, rejuvenate, revitalize, and give new life to your skin. That is what Oils of Life range is. Everybody should use Oils of Life at night, and you wake up to an amazing skin in the morning. Believe me, I'm telling you what I've seen on a daily basis, because when I wake up I don't even feel like my skin needs any washing up. I don't feel any tightness or tiredness in my skin, because of the amazing Oils of Life range. So if you are a little older, say about 40-45 years, I would recommend the Roots of Strength range, because this is specifically suited for everybody who are over 40 years, in order to reduce the line, surface area, and the amount of wrinkles. There are roots from 3 different amazing plants that are going to help alleviate all the signs of aging. So always when I say all these products are in the increasing consistency of thickness, your cleansers will be thin in consistency and start to get thicker as you start using the products. That is another easier way of understanding which product to use after another. So I usually don't apply any of the products under the eye, so you can use your eye cream before or after moisturizer. Because I don't apply anything under the eye, I do use it after my moisturizer, and I change my moisturizers depending upon the need. So this is my Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. This is an amazing one which is for glow, and it is made of vitamin C extracted from Camu Camu berry. Look at the amount of moisturizer I'm using, just very little, and this is more than enough for your skin. So always understand how much of product needs to be used on your skin and apply only so much. It has 60% more vitamin C than your orange. So Camu Camu berries are amazing source of vitamin C, and it gives you instant glow when you use the vitamin C range, and it keeps your skin, of course, amazingly moisturized. So let me just give you an example of how much product to use. I have been using the Drops of Light, you can see Drops of Youth range. Only so much I have used in the last 2 to 3 months, which means it has come for a really long time, because I do use different serum for night. Even if you don't use another serum for night, it still comes for a very long time if you use the right amount. So the another amazing product that I show for saving the product is the Drops of Youth eye mask. This is a bouncy eye mask. And look at the amount of product. I've been using this for 4 months in fact, and it's not being used up at all. So the way you apply your eye cream is just take eye cream from your ring finger, very little, something like a grain of rice, and start applying it from outside to inside. Just dab it on your skin. You need to use an eye cream for your skin and not your moisturizer, for the reason because your skin under the eye is 20% thinner than the rest of your face, and you use your ring finger because it is the most, or the least, in fact least pressure finger. You cannot apply as much pressure on this finger as the other, so you always use the ring finger to apply the eye mask. And you can use this as a mask at night, while in the morning you can just blend it along with your like your cream. So I love the Drops of Youth Bouncy Eye Mask because it's bouncy, it's like a gel like format, and it also retains the elastic nature of your skin. So you can see that I've applied it. And what is the last step? The last step of any skincare routine in the morning is a good SPF. This is the best SPF that is out there. It has been celebrated by a lot of celebrities and amazing reviewers about this particular sunscreen. It is from the Drops of Light range. It is light, non-greasy, and it has an SPF of 50, which means it will be able to protect your skin from sunlight damage for a long period of time. It has brightening red algae extract and antioxidant vitamin C to create a facial moisturizer with high level of broad spectrum UV protection. That's what it says on the pack. And it is specifically developed for sensitive skin, which means every skin type can use it. And it protects your skin from multiple aggressors: UV protection, UVA protection, B pollution protection, antioxidant, and anti-dullness. And after 4 weeks, most of them have said that the skin appears brighter, more refined, and less dull because it is sunscreen 50. It protects your skin from sun damage. And did you know that 80% of the skin damage occurs because of sun? Skin damage occurs because of your sun, and if you have not used a good sun protecting solution, you have caused a lot of damage to your skin. I just take a little bit of it. It is very light. You will actually think that most of the sunscreens are patchy and they kind of leave a white uh, matte like finish on your skin, but it doesn't. It glides very nicely into the skin. It doesn't leave an oily appearance. Look at it, how beautifully it has absorbed inside the skin, and you wouldn't even know that you have applied the sunscreen. It is so light and so good. In fact, last year this was Body Shop's bestseller. And like, you must know by now that I am a consultant. I'm a senior consultant with Body Shop, and I sell all of their products at amazing prices. And I have the link to my Facebook group where I sell the products below. You should definitely join and check them out if you are in UK, to avail all of these products at discounts, because believe me, the amount of freebies, discounts, deals, competitions, so many things I conduct in my group that you can get amazing deals in for Body Shop products. And of course, more than that, you get my skincare consultation. I will be able to personalize, tailor make a nice skin routine for you so that it works amazingly well. And I do check up on my customers always in order to find out how it has suited them. Do we need to make any changes? Do we have to help you with any other things that will better suit your skin? So all those consultations, I do it for free, and you can always message me and ask me about it. So you can just reach me out on the Facebook link and message me. I'm very, very happy to help. This is the last step of your skin routine, in fact. And after this, you're good to go. You can apply your primer and then start with your makeup. If you're going out, or if you're at home, you can just leave it as it is and allow your skin to soak up all the amazing products and go to your amazing skin very sooner. So that's about it from me. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share about the channel, and please do give me amazing comments below if you like this video. I will come back with lot more videos because I have so many amazing ideas in my mind to tell you guys about. I want to share it with all of you so that you're benefited out of it, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Please like my channel Cheers to Life and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also ring the bell to keep yourself updated with all the upcoming videos on this channel. See you soon. Goodbye.